Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Respiratory diseases, and you're looking at the IOC, that is the investigation of choice. So in terms of the ILD, that is the interstitial lung diseases, the investigation of choice will be the HRCT. And when you look at the bronchiectasis, so here in bronchiectasis, it is again the HRCT which is done, that is the investigation of choice. And looking at the pulmonary embolism, so here in pulmonary embolism, it is nothing but the CT pulmonary angiography. So the CT pulmonary angiography. So this is greater than the ventilation perfusion scan. This is greater than the ventilation perfusion scan. To watch the full video, please click on the link below and it will redirect you to the main video.